Hello guys, today we are going to solve lead code problem number 451. Okay, so it is said that sort the characters by frequency. Okay, so here in this video we are going to solve this problem, and if you have any doubts please do comments. Okay, so here this is the problem: sort character by the frequency. Count first of all, count the frequency of each character using a hex map. Okay, then sort the character by their frequency highest first. Okay, build the answer string input tree. Okay, so I'm going to take tree as an input. Okay, so it will count the t. Okay, t appear one time, so it will give the frequency of t. So here t colon 1. Okay, r also appear one time, so frequency of r is 1. Okay, and e appear two times, so e frequency of e is 2. Okay, so output is EETR or EERT. Okay, so this is our output. Okay, so here this is S equals to 3. Frequency of T, R, and E. Okay, and setted frequency in sorted order: E, that is 2, and T is 1, and R is 1. Okay, so result will be EE plus T plus R. So it will become EETR. Okay, here I'm going to use collection for count the frequency. So that's why I need to import from collection. Sorry, from collection import counter. Okay, this is the class and this is the function for frequency sort. Okay, so here I'm going to pass this s, that is tree, as a parameter, or it should be in string. Okay, and output also in the string. Okay, so count the frequency using hash map. Okay, so here frequency equals to counter s. So I'm going to count the frequency of s. So here you can see here in comment, t frequency is 1 and r frequency is 1 and e frequency is 2. Okay, so here after this line I am going to use this line. Okay, sort the character by frequency in descending order. Okay, so here I am going to use frequency underscore items equals to sorted. It will sort in ascending order. Okay, so here I am going to write frequency of item, frequency dot item, break it. Okay, use comma, and here key equals to I am going to use lambda. Okay, so if you don't have idea about lambda, then you can go and watch my Python bootcamp playlist. Okay, so here I need to write x1. Okay, and here reverse equals to true. Okay, so it will give you in reverse. Okay, so after this we are going to use sorted frequency of that item. Okay, so these are the items of frequency of the items. Okay, frequency dot item and key equals to lambda x colon 1, sorry, x colon x of 1. Okay, and reverse equals to true. Here build the result. Okay, so it will give you result like this. Okay, e, I already explained. Okay, sorted frequency e comma 2 means e appear two time, t is appear one time, and r appear one time. Okay, so by using lambda we got this. Okay, reverse equals to true. Before I have this frequency like this. Okay, now we are going to build the result. So here result equals to empty string. Okay, so we can store the result here. I'm going to use loop for ch comma count in frequency underscore item. Okay, for ch count in frequency items colons, and here result equals to result plus ch. I'm going to multiply ch with count, ch multiply with count, so I got my result. Okay, so result equals to result plus ch into count, and here I'm going to return my result. return result. Okay, I already have this line. So it will return the result. So you got result EETR. Okay, so this is the object of class solution and this is the function. Okay, here I pass tree. Okay, here I pass tree and call this function. Okay, so first of all you need to count the frequency. After that you need to find out sorted characters. Okay, so these are the sorted characters and frequency of item. Okay, and here you need to build the result by using this. So here I have empty string in result. Okay, so I'm going to use loop for ch comma count. Okay, for ch comma count. So I have counts t is 1, r is 1, e is 2. Okay, so characters and its count we are going to multiply. Okay, so first of all you need to take character one by one from here. Okay, and multiply with the count. Okay, first of all I need to take ch equals to e. Okay, so here result equals to ch into its count. Okay, again you need to take e, so it will become 2. Okay, its count is 2, so e is 2, so ch that is ee and its count 2. Okay, so it will give you e into 2, so you got it here in result that e is 2 time. And here you can take again t multiply with 1 and r multiply with 1, so here you got in result eetr. Okay, so here